Articles Part 2. The. Articles. The is used for specific nouns like the moon, the earth. Nouns in English are divided in two parts, specific or general. Specific nouns are like moon, earth, God, so we use the, like the moon, the earth. General nouns are like car, book, apple, egg, so we use a and an for general nouns like a car, a book, an apple, an egg. They is called a definite article. Definite means specific. We use they when something is already known for the listener. Example: I have a cat. The cat is black. So for the second time, we know what cat we're talking about. So the second time we say the cat. There is a book in my backpack. The book is very heavy. Nobody lives on the moon. The moon is known to everyone. The moon here is a specific noun for everyone, so we know what moon is. I saw the bears in Yellowstone National Park. So we are talking about specific type of bears. The bears are located in Yellowstone National Park. Can you lend me the book I bought yesterday? So we're talking about the book I bought yesterday. It's also a specific. Did you read the book which I gave you? The book I gave you. So here the book we're talking about the specific book too. He didn't like the movie that you suggested. So the movie is also about the specific type of movies we're talking about. Let's do some tests. Please pause to have enough time to answer. Thank you. Thanks for watching.